Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to my channel Preschool Education Hub. In this channel, the kids will learn activities, alphabets, numbers and so many things. Today, kids will learn a fine motor skills activity with the help of tongs. When they will hold the tongue to do one activity, it will give a grip. It will make their hand strong. So it will be easy for them to hold the pencil when they are going to write the letters or the numbers or when they are going to learn the writing activities. Next thing they will learn about the health and hygiene. So here they will learn about when they should wash their hands and how often they should wash their hands. As we know, this is the necessity of nowadays to wash the hands regularly. After that, they will learn about the alphabet A, then some activities with the letter A, and then they will learn the about the color red, and then again they will learn do some activities of the red color. But as usual, we start our video with the prayer. Our all videos we start with a prayer. Why do we start with a prayer? Because whenever the kids, as this is an education channel, so kids should start their study before the prayer. They should do every time. So please teach this prayer to the kids. So let us repeat with me. Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the friends we meet. Thank you for our work and play. Thank you for this happy day. Now I'll tell you about how the kids can do the activity with the help of tongue. Or any tongue the parents can give them, and they can give some toys, small toys. So many toys the kids may be having at home, or if they have some blocks like this, so they can give the blocks, either blocks or the toys. And tell the kids while giving the tongs, tell them to hold the toys or the blocks with the help of tongue, and then tell them to keep the toys or the blocks in one box. If you have a box, then it's fine. Otherwise, if you have a bucket or any kind of box where after playing kids can keep their toys, because kids will love it, and when they will hold this tongue, it will give the strength to their hands, to their fingers also. And once they will do this activity, because this is a new thing for them, so kids will love it, and very happily they will keep all the toys to their places. After this, now about health and hygiene. As now we know that kids also should wash their hands regularly. So here, while showing them when they should wash their hands. So whenever they go to the washroom, then after using the toilet, they should come and they should wash their hands with the soap regularly. If they are playing with the pets, then after playing with the pets also, they should wash their hands. Now, whenever they are going to eat something, whether the breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or the snacks, so please tell them to wash their hands. So, before eating anything, they should wash their hands. Now, when they go to the park or when they play with the friends, when they come home, after the coming home, after playing, then again they should wash the hands. Now, coughing or sneezing. If they have any cough, or if they are coughing, or if they are sneezing, so then after that also they should wash their hands. Now, once they wash their hands at least 3 to 4 times in a day, so please tell them, then they will remember it. Okay, once they have come out from the washroom, they should wash. After playing with the pets, again they will wash. Before eating something, again they will wash. Then if they are playing, if they are coughing or sneezing, then if they do it at least 2 or 3 days regularly, then next day they will remember it. Then when they have to wash their hands. Now, here we have some hand washing steps, how they should wash the hands. First, tell them to turn on the water, wet hands. Okay, then tell them to take the soap and after that, then rub it properly rinse clean, and then dry their hands. They can dry their hands either with the tissue paper or with the towel. Now, kids will learn about the letter A. As this video is for the playgroup class, playgroup means that like for 2 to 3 years old. So now here they are going to learn about the letter A. So this is for the recognition. This is letter A. Show them this letter A and A for apple. A for apple. Please let them repeat 2 to 3 times A for apple. Then A, again A for alligator. As this age group, they have very less span of concentration and they will forget easily. So many times they have to repeat it. So let them repeat again. A for apple. A for alligator. Now, here is one activity for them. Once they have recognized the letter A. Now let them do the activity. So here the parents can draw one A on A4 sheet or any on drawing sheet also, and then after that give them the red color so the kids can do the thumb printing here. So how they can do? So the kids can do the thumb printing like this. And I'm sure kids will love it because kids loves to play with the color, and once you give them color to do some kind of drawing or coloring, so while playing, while doing the coloring, they will learn this letter A. Now we have one more activity. Once the kids recognize letter A properly and they have done the thumb printing also, after that now again, this is the work for the parents. The parents can just write A and B again on some A4 sheet. So here now, till once the kid has learned the letter A. So give them red crayon and tell them to color the circle wherever there is letter A. Now again, now kids has recognized the letter A. Now comes the writing part. Now for the writing part, what we can do, we can show them how to write letter A. Once like from down to top go up, then from there join the line, then again top to bottom one line and then one again one sleeping line to join them. Now what the parents can do, parents can take the ice cream stick here and tell them to join it or arrange it like a letter A. So how they can do it? These one, two, three lines, these three ice cream sticks, parents can give them and tell them to arrange it like this: one, then two, and then three. Okay. Now comes the as the kids have done. Now the kids has learned the letter A. Now comes the red color. Now here we have to teach them about the red color. So here we can show them one red color apple and we can tell them, okay, this is red color. So what color is this? We have different objects in red color. We have apple, we have red chili, starfish, we have heart shape, we have car, one flower, we have ladybug, strawberry and the crab. Now after this, again one activity for the apple. So what the parents can do here, parents can draw one apple on a A4 sheet again and give them some red color paper and then tell them to tear it and let them paste it on the apple. So while pasting it, kids will remember the red color. Now there is one more activity with the red color. All the activities, please don't give them on one day. One day you give them letter A, the next day you can give them something else, like the ice cream stick. Then now one day you give them this. The parents can draw these cherries. Okay, and then again parents can give them one red color and then again let them do the thumb printing like this. So again kids will do one more time the thumb printing, and now this red color will imprint on their mind and every time they will remember it. Now here I tell you something about my channel. Now through this channel, kids are learning based on the curriculum. So they will learn letters, they will learn numbers, they will learn all the shapes, all the colors, some fine motor skills, art and craft also. So please like, share and subscribe my channel to and hit the bell button to get the notification. Thank you.